How to block people on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can block people on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, it's very easy to block someone. Make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, typing in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can basically see this is how it is going to look like. By default, you'll be taken to the Snap camera interface. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the chat screen by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom left between the Snap map and the camera icon. Once you go to the chat icon over here, you have to simply open up a chat whom you want to block. So let's say that this is a profile that I want to block for some reason. I'll just go ahead and tap on their name at the very top of the screen. Once I tap on their name and go to their profile page, what you have to do is, in order to block them, just tap on the three dots which you see on the top right corner. Once you tap on the three dots, you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options. You just have to go to the one that says Manage Friendship. Once you tap on Manage Friendship, you'll be able to see all these options. Keep in mind that you can actually just leave the block and then you can also remove them as friend if you do really want to. But I would just suggest you that if you do really want to block, then you could just go ahead and tap on the block option. But you also have to keep in mind that once you block them and when you unblock them, if they are friends with you, they're going to be removed from your friends list as well, which means that you have to send them a friend request and add them back into your account again. Just keep that in mind. So tap on block. It will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to block? Just tap on the block option. Once you've done so, this person is going to get successfully blocked on Snapchat. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.